Jackpot, I hit the jackpot, jackpot.
Hey champions, what's up? It's your girl Champ, and I'm back with another fabulous video. So I'm pretty sure you can already tell from the title that I'm going to be making my favorite meal prep meal. It's super easy. If you guys watch my channel, you probably know I've been doing like a lot of fitness, a lot of working out, a lot of just eating healthy. And if you watch my Instagram, at Watch Danielle, you guys probably know I've been doing like a lot of meal prep. So today I'm going to show you guys my favorite meal that's like super easy. It's going to be turkey meat, which is actually super lean. I am definitely not a vegetarian. I still eat a lot of meat. So when I do eat a meat, it's turkey. It's one of my favorite ones and it tastes good. So before we get started into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my good videos coming up with even more yummy recipes. Now, let's go ahead and get started. First thing is first, you always got to wash your hands. Y'all know there's a lot going on out there in the world, you know what I'm saying, different germs. We got to make sure we always wash our hands first every time before you eat or prepare any food. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually start with my turkey. So I got this at Trader Joe's. It's organic ground turkey. I got the one that was 93% lean, 7% fat. I usually try to get the one with the least fat. Still tastes good to me, so also it's a little bit better for you. So that's what I did. I'm going to start by turning. Also, all of these are clean. All of my pots, all of my pans, everything I'm going to use is clean. I'm going to turn it on to medium. I'm using olive oil, nothing too special. Alright. Then the first thing that we're going to do after we put the oil in the pan and let it heat up just a little bit is put our ground turkey in. Alright, so I put all of my turkey into the pot. This is actually super easy. You really just cook your turkey meat. All you really have to do is chop it and flip it and stir it, and at the same time season it. I only use 2 seasonings now. Like I try to keep it really healthy and like the least number of like ingredients as possible. Just keep it nice and healthy. Put a little bit of pepper on there. Super easy. And then I use one other thing. Sometimes I use gallo adobo. Now you guys, this stuff is good. It's really not that bad for you. 0 calories. I just sprinkle a little bit. And that's it. That's really all that you need to make some fire meat. Mix that up for a bit. So the whole time you really just have to make sure that you keep chopping it and stirring it while mixing in a little bit more. Once our meat is cooked, the next thing we're going to do is actually one of my favorite things to pair with it when you're really cutting down, just want to like shred that but still build that, is broccoli florets. Now you guys make sure, you can either get real broccoli, but if you're on the go like me, like just to be honest, I don't always have time to do the most with my cooking, so it's got to be simple but still taste good and still be good for me. So I get the broccoli florets from Trader Joe's. A lot of my stuff I get is from Trader Joe's. I just always have one near me and I like, you know, quality food. So get the florets, because if you don't, you'll get like little chops of the other piece of broccoli you don't really want. The florets are like the heads, so that's the good pieces. Don't get the mixed one. Anyways, organic broccoli florets from Trader Joe's. You can either cook these on the stove or in the microwave. I am going to go ahead and cook them in the microwave just to show you the easiest way. Y'all already know how to cook. This is what I do to make it last. If I'm putting my meal prep in separate containers, then I will cook the whole thing and pack it up like that. But if I'm not, if I like, let's say I'm just like leaving this, just this alone in my fridge, and I'm just saying I'll have this in a separate thing so I can mix things, I'll just cook however much I want. Mix with it. Remember, the broccoli be shrinking. They kind of need, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, that's a good amount. All you gotta do is put that in for about 4 minutes, depending on what your wattage of microwave is. Make sure you look on the back. It'll tell you on the bag which one to press for which one. But yeah, you just cook that, and when you want, like when you get it out, you can season it if you want to. I actually don't season with anything. Mix it with this, and this actually has a lot of flavor. You'll be surprised because there's really nothing bad in it for you. So, you know what I'm saying? It's like I'm okay with just seasoning that with pepper and the gallo adobo. I think it's some type of Mexican spice. So you gotta make sure you look in the multicultural aisle. Might be a little hot, so just do it fast. But take the broccoli out. Oh, look at that! I love good steamed. Look at that steam, baby. Look at that steam. So then I let this broccoli just steam there for a few minutes. Okay, you can put, you know, whatever turkey you want right here. Usually there's like a little bit of water in here, so I would normally just take it out of the bowl and put it onto the plate. Next, this is another like really simple salad. And remember guys, this is like for more of an extreme day when you're really just trying to cut down but still, you know, get all the nutrients and protein that you need while you're working out. I also sometimes add in like a salad, or this is just like a snack salad that I'll make. Just put a little bit of literally of this. Once again, this is from Trader Joe's kale. I opened it upside down, but I just put a little bit into a bowl, however much it is I want. I'm making a small one because I don't, you know, I'm eating this and this. Then next you just put some, I have like shaved almonds I put right in here. If you want, you can also put some cheese in here. If you are going to do cheese, I do like something like feta, something that's not that bad for you. And then this is not sponsored by Trader Joe's, but I do have a lot of stuff from there. So this fat-free balsamic vinaigrette is absolutely delicious. It literally can make any salad taste better. Like even one with like not that much ingredients right now, like it will still actually feel like you're eating some. Just put a little bit of that. Or if you really want to make it like good for yourself, you can dip. When you dip your salad dressing, you'll actually eat less. All you gotta do is mix it in, or if you have something with a lid, you can just shake it up, but I'm keeping it cute and classy right now. I love that dressing. I literally be like scraping the bowl for it. So this is just really a simple like little meal that you can eat. When I eat like on my actual workout, like my meal preps that I'm eating, like my schedule and my actual thing of what I'm supposed to be eating, I eat about like 4 meals a day. 4 good meals. So, well, not good, like smaller. But I really just made this to show you if you are going to have a salad, you just have something small like this to fill you up in between time. You can also just pair the turkey with any kind of sauce that you want. I usually use any like tapatio because I like, you know, that spice. Or I use the Cholula green one. I'm out of it now. And this is just something that I'm making for you as I'm like going about my day. Like I'm really going to meal prep with this. This is my normal thing. That's all for now, but I will show you guys some more later. Comment if you guys try this. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what hot sauce you guys put with it. Or if you use another type of sauce or just like lemon. Let me know what you guys use. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
You thought you hit the jackpot, but you lost a bet, my friend. You can't buy me for nothing. On my mind, you are the last thought. I hit the jackpot, jackpot.